Hello and welcome to my channel. Today, we'll be exploring one of the most fascinating natural phenomena, tornadoes. Tornadoes are a destructive force of nature that can wreak havoc on entire communities. But have you ever wondered how these powerful storms are formed? In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the science behind tornado formation and learn how to effectively use the information we gather to better understand these awe-inspiring events. Tornadoes are one of the most destructive and fascinating weather phenomena on Earth. These powerful swirling columns of air can devastate entire communities, yet scientists still don't fully understand how they are formed. In this video, we'll explore the various factors that contribute to the formation of tornadoes, from the role of thunderstorms to the properties of air masses. To begin, it's important to understand that tornadoes typically form within a larger weather system known as a supercell. Supercells are thunderstorms that are characterized by a rotating updraft, which is the upward movement of warm and moist air. This updraft can then combine with other meteorological factors to create a rotating column of air that can eventually form into a tornado. One of the most critical factors in tornado formation is wind shear. Wind shear refers to the difference in wind speed and direction at different heights in the atmosphere. In a supercell, the updraft and downdraft can create a rotation within the storm, and wind shear can then cause this rotation to tilt and intensify. As the rotating updraft reaches the top of the storm, it can create a mesocyclone, which is a large-scale rotation that can spawn tornadoes. Another factor that can contribute to tornado formation is the boundary between two air masses. When warm, moist air meets cooler, drier air, it can create a front that can act as a trigger for tornadoes. This front can cause the air to rise rapidly and create the conditions necessary for a tornado to form. As the mesocyclone intensifies, it can create a lowering of the base of the cloud, which is known as a wall cloud. This wall cloud can sometimes precede the formation of a tornado, and it's often a sign that the storm is becoming more severe. As the wall cloud descends further, it can create a funnel cloud, which is a visible rotating column of air that hasn't yet touched the ground. When the funnel cloud reaches the ground, it officially becomes a tornado. Tornadoes can vary in size and strength, with some lasting only a few seconds and others lasting for hours. The strength of a tornado is measured on the enhanced Fujita scale, which takes into account the estimated wind speed and damage caused by the tornado. In conclusion, tornadoes are formed within a complex set of meteorological factors that can include wind shear, air mass boundaries, and supercells. While scientists have made significant progress in understanding how these storms form, there is still much to learn about their behavior and how to predict them more accurately. By studying tornadoes and the conditions that lead to their formation, we can better prepare for their destructive power and mitigate their impact on our communities. In conclusion, we hope you found this video informative and interesting. Understanding the science behind tornado formation can be fascinating and also help us prepare for severe weather events. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.